Oh my God, I'll put them
Thing is huge, right? There's a king crab leg.
Look at it.
Yeah. Take a normal one, a regular one. Excuse me. La Dulce?
You saw
How
the
you
oysters?
doing, La Dulce?
You saw the oysters?
Yeah, these things are good. Look at that, they have everything. It's our first time here. Lobster. Then they have these. Anybody know what these are?
Yeah, I don't know.
Korean abalone. They look like a Korean clam. And then these, man, these look like, I don't know, Martians. I don't know what they're, Dungeness crab. These look crazy. You know what they look like. What do you plan on doing, La Dulce?
Oh my God. I don't think I can go through there with the car.
Yeah, we caught these in,
I'm going to have to go.
man, we didn't catch these in Puerto Rico.
No, when we went.
Holy
No.
smoke.
Yeah, I think,
That's a stingray. Yeah.
no,
I got to back up. I don't think the park is with you.
that's a skate ray. It's not a sting. In Puerto Rico, we caught a stingray. It looked something like that.
No, we caught one. We caught a stingray here too.
Yeah.
All right, babe.
This is it.
I'm going to be using a paella pan. We ended up eating the clams raw, so we're not putting clams in. I did buy these clams. They're already out of the shell in a pack, so I am going to be adding 1 pack of these. So I bought 2 packs of mussels. They come in a bag like this. And I got all my seafood from a seafood market because it's cheaper than buying it in the supermarket. 2 pounds of large shrimp. They are already deveined and it's washed and ready to go. I'm going to also be using some chicken stock along with that. Adding some peppers. You can add any peppers, but I'm going to, and cilantro. I forgot to cut the cilantro, so I gotta do that. I'm gonna add some yellow peppers, red peppers, and some roughly chopped garlic. Using arroz bomba. So this is like, it's a different kind of rice that I normally make. You guys know, I use the long grain rice. And this is more of a paella kind of rice. It comes typically from Spain. That's what I wanted to say. Some smoked paprika. You guys see me use this before on another recipe. I'm going to be using this. It gives it a nice flavor. Okay, so I'm going to add some olive oil. Alright, to the olive oil, I am going to add my veggies, which is going to be 1 yellow pepper, 1 red pepper, and then our garlic. That's nice. I'm going to add my cilantro. And my stove is on a medium. And we're just going to let this cook for a little bit and let our veggies boil down. To that, I'm going to add about a spoon of sofrito. Like so. And this pot is so big, obviously you see that I'm using 2 burners, but I'm trying to place the veggies over the part where I know my burners are so that they can cook faster versus putting the veggies on the outside. Okay, salsa tomate. And this is maybe about 3 teaspoons. Yeah, about 3 tablespoons. It was not even half a can in there. All right, guys. So let's English, Elaine. We're gonna let this cook a little.
You can't cheat. You can't.
And now I'm just gonna throw a splash of wine in there. I know I had a couple of people ask me that when I make food with wine, what kind of wine do I use? And I don't know if you guys seen it in comments, but I always use a cheap wine. You don't need an expensive wine to cook, or if you have some in the refrigerator, just incorporate that.
Is it cooking wine or is it just regular wine?
No, I use regular wine.
Okay, no cooking wine?
No, I'm glad you brought that up. Tatiana's here today, guys. Yeah, so I don't buy cooking wine. I go to the liquor store and I get whatever's cheap or whatever's on sale. So that's that. So let's let this boil down just a little bit.
Oh, that looks so good. Moving my arm a lot because this gizmo watch is timing me on my jumps. So if I move my arm, it thinks I'm jumping.
This is some white wine. I just poured it in my wine glass that I was already drinking it. I threw it in there. I was not drinking it. My daughter's saying it's cross-contamination. No, I drank out of the glass, but I drank my wine. You know when my daughter's home, I tell you guys, it's quiet here until the 2 older ones come. Then it all changes. And if you want, you can add beer also to your paella. It doesn't necessarily. Yeah, I told them it's not going to be no clams in there because we did all the clams. And clam shots.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah, they were good. PJ put some lemon on the raw clams and pique.
Sriracha.
So, well, it smells good already.
It
Hey
does.
guys, can I have my ring?
No,
Nope.
mommy. Okay, so let's let the veggies boil down a little. I gotta get turmeric, even though I don't have the right turmeric, but let me open my smoke paprika.
You gotta show the can, okay?
Oh, look at Tatiana. Maybe she'll cook for you guys one day, but I told you guys she's into the healthy cooking.
You see?
And I got that one off of Amazon, so if anybody's looking for it, you can get it off of Amazon. Amazon actually has really good spices.
Then you gotta go like this. Come on.
Oh, let me find out that he's taking over the, ¿cómo se dice? El tutorial.
I made a mess, but there you go.
Sprinkle, yeah, like a teaspoon at a time, yeah. And let's That's my measuring cup, so I can measure the rice.
And look, I put a face on you. Because you always have your hair in a bun.
I told you I'm a t-shirt, legging, and scrunchy girl. All right, Kathy, you can start pouring those in here, and I'm gonna wash the other bag of mussels.
Wait, put the mussels in?
No, your sister put them in.
I want to.
You can't whine on camera, so if you're gonna whine, go to the living room. Fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy. What is she saying?
She said she's putting it on her left hand.
I'm a righty, but I'm going to do it that way. Doesn't. Don't take it.
All right, guys, I have a turmeric I usually use for my paella, and it comes from Spain. I don't have any more, and I did order it, but I'm not getting it till tomorrow. I'm not gonna wait till tomorrow to eat paella because of turmeric. But we are going to use a little bit of this one.
And I'm putting it in this time.
This turmeric is a turmeric normally that Paul uses on his curry, so it should be okay.
It gives it a little kick, but it doesn't really taste like anything. Like if you put it in here, it won't taste like anything. I mean, it will, but like not
All right,
as
let me
much.
see this.
Well, you saw how it was like a rainfall of just smoke.
Yeah, right?
It looks really cool.
Okay.
Well,
I'm waiting for them to open a little bit, and then we'll throw our rice, and then quickly after that,
a couple of them more.
I mean, we'll throw our shrimp, and then quickly after that, we'll throw the rice, because I don't want the shrimp to be gummy. I can't stand gummy shrimp. I like it to have a nice bite.
Yeah, so we're gonna put the shrimp in now. We're ready. This is the bowl of shrimp. How many pounds is this?
That's 2 pounds of the large shrimp.
Okay, so 2 pounds of the large shrimp. How many pounds of the mussels do you got?
I got 2 bags, so it
Okay.
comes by the bag. Hold on.
So what, probably
Yes.
a pound in each bag?
Yeah, I'm assuming so.
And this is the rice we'll use.
You're gonna be using that rice?
Yeah.
How many cups?
We're going to use 2 cups. We're going to start adding a cup at, we might use 3, but I'm going to start adding a cup at a time.
Should I pour some in?
Wait
Yeah.
till Kathy tells you. We don't want the shrimp all the way cooked when we're adding the rice anyway, so.
So pouring it in.
Okay.
That sounds weird. Oh wait, there's still some. I switched it back.
Here's the third one.
Go, Gigi.
Okay, go ahead, pour it in.
Oh, I didn't even. Now let's put some in the middle.
And one more cup. So far it's been 4 cups, right?
4 cups.
Wow.
Alright guys, so I put both of my burners on a medium.
To 6. It's
Yes, the 6 is medium. Now we're gonna just let most of the water dissolve, and then we'll give it a flip, and we'll be right back. Sorry.
There's always one fighter when you're getting a bag of lobsters, and this is it. This is the one that's like moving. He's ready. Make sure he doesn't die tonight, but we're sad, you know. This is a sad time. Rest in peace. What is his name, Julia?
Mr. Krabs.
Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs is going down tonight, but
Mr. Crab,
I
but
hope
he's
you
a
live long
lobster.
life. Hopefully, he had 8 years in you. Not sure.
No, I don't think so.
No.
Probably 2 days.
Yeah.
No. No.
Yes,
Are
that's
we gonna put him in there yet?
Is it boiling? I don't know. Check if the pot is boiling.
Let's is hot skin.
I don't know. Take a look. I don't.
Let me
It gets
see. Hold on.
ready.
Alright guys, so this is the end result. This is when you know your food is good. When your husband falls asleep at the table, you know your food is slamming. How was it, babe?
The bomb diggity. I'm gonna eat the last coral now.
You're gonna eat the last one. My older kids are taking a shower because they're going out together. But yeah, this is my pet. I didn't even eat rice, guys, because I was so full. Alright guys, so this is the end result of the paella. As you guys know, we did the clams raw, but we have clams in the paella. But you guys could add anything you like to the paella. And we kept adding water as it was cooking, not too much, maybe about 2 cups. But this is the end result of the paella. It's scrumptious. And these are some of the lobsters we made. So I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, please let me know in comments how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's Simply Nena with Crafting, Cooking, and Sazon. To the next video.